I've said this on another occasion, and I say this with all sincerity and with an open heart, that the retreats have literally changed my life, made me a better person, and continue to make me a better person. And I thank the facilitators for putting together such an amazing experience. And I can't recommend enough to any man, whatever age, to join in a common community of brotherhood, to learn about themselves in a safe and supportive space. My name is Michael Nagel. I'm 60 years old. I'm a professor at a university, local university. The first men's retreat was a serendipitous moment for me. I was walking down a street in Coolum and I saw a sign with this retreat. And it was perfect timing because I was going through some challenges in my life and I felt that I needed to find a different way forward. It changed my life. It literally changed my life. I learned a lot about myself. I learned that there were other men experiencing different challenges and situations in life and looking for a community of brotherhood, that they could come together and be in a safe place, be vulnerable, share their experiences, share their knowledge, their wisdom, so that we could learn and grow from one another. And from that, I walked away a different person, literally a different person. This thing that I wear with pride, with my name on, the first one I had under my name, I took a marker and I wrote the word breathe, and it sits in my room so that I'm constantly reminding myself to take those moments to just stop, breathe, appreciate what I have, and go forward with a positive attitude. I came back for a second time for the retreat version 2, second time in a row, because I felt that my journey is still continuing. And while some of the activities are similar, the journey's different. I'm experiencing a completely different sensation in my body. I'm coming up with different ideas and thoughts about who I am, what I want to be. So it's building on what I achieved in the first retreat. I think the facilitators, I've said this on other occasions in other settings, literally changed my life. They've given me an opportunity to look at the world in a different way. I've learned a lot from them, just listening to them, from their wisdom, from how they approach the sessions. And while each one approaches each session a little bit differently, there's a common framework of sharing, caring, love, and gratitude. And I think any man who comes to this will feel that.